Hello everyone, welcome to Sikkhon, and welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to do year scrolling text animation in After Effects. Let's get started. First of all, in the Project tab, take a new composition. In Composition Configuration Settings, set the composition width 2500 pixels and height 1200 pixels. Now, take a text which you want to animate. Here I'm doing year scrolling text animation, so I'm taking some years, like 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023, etc. And then, fix the text alignment to middle. Here I'm going to highlight the 2025 year. So I need to change the color of the 2025 year text. For example, I'm changing the color of 2025 text into plain yellow. Now we have to set the position starting point and end point of the text using keyframe. Keep the position of the whole text like this as starting point and, as end point, keep the 2025 year text part in the middle of the screen. Now set the keyframes at easy ease. Then, from using the graph chart, you have to smooth the keyframes more. Set the keyframes like this so that you can get the text animation smooth as possible. Now, in the Project tab, take a new composition, and from Composition Settings, keep the width 1920 pixels and height 1080 pixels. And rename the composition name as Main, as you will be working on this composition mainly. Then drag the previous composition to this main composition sequence. You can adjust the position of the text again for better output. Now, you can play the footage and see the text is animating smoothly. Then, take an adjustment layer in the main composition. Then, from the Effects and Presets tab, search CC Cylinder and drag the effect into the adjustment layer. You'll see the text is converted as cylinder shape. You can adjust the radius as per your need. Now, from Rotation option, change Render Setting to Outside. It will remove the background text portion, which is unnecessary here. Now, go to Previous Composition where the text is set as flat. You can get the cylinder effect by using another effect. Go to Effects and Presets tab, search CC Sphere, drag it to the adjustment layer, After modifying the effect, you can get almost the same effect in the text. You can decide which effect you'll use. For example, I'm using the double C cylinder effect here. Now, you can add some highlight tool like shapes. For this, click on the previous composition. You have used the pen tool here if you add shape. Here I'm adding a shape line here. Click the start point in the bottom of the text, and again click on the bottom of the text in order to get a line shape. Choose the line shape color and change the value of the stroke in order to get a visible line. Then, click on the Shape layer, click on the Content, then click Shape 1, and then Stroke 1. Then you'll see an option named Taper. Click on it, set the start length to 80% and the end length also to 80%. Now, duplicate the shape layer and place the second shape in the top of the text like this. Then go to the main composition. You'll be able to see the final output of the text with the shape layer. Now, you can choose the effect between CC cylinder and CC sphere according to your need. That's it! That's how you can create year-scrolling text animation in After Effects easily. For more tutorials, please like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let us know in the comments what kind of tutorials you'd like to see next. Visit Sikkhon.com for a wide range of free and premium courses. Thank you for watching.